English-Bulgarian, can equals.
Мога.
Master, can, forms fast. Welcome. Hey you, ready to power up your Bulgarian? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the English verb can and its Bulgarian superhero.
Мога.
Picture a can of soup flexing its biceps and yelling, I can. In Bulgaria it shouts.
Мога.
Let's roll. Your goal today. By the end, you can cheer yourself and your friends on, in Bulgarian. Short, sweet, and super useful. Your mission. Say I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, plural, and they can, with confident pronunciation using
Мога.
forms. Forms you can use. Say them out loud after me, your room plants won't judge. Can.
Мога.
I can.
Аз мога.
You can, singular.
Ти можеш.
He can.
Той може.
She can.
Тя може.
It can.
То може.
We can.
Ние можем.
You can, plural.
Вие можете.
They can.
Те могат.
Mini dialogue. Here's a quick, funny scene. Repeat the Bulgarian parts. A. Can you help? You can do it. B. Yes, I can.
Мога.
A. Great, we can finish it today.
Ние можем.
C. He can carry the box.
Той може.
D. She can open the door.
Тя може.
E. It can start now.
То може.
Coach to the group. You can win.
Вие можете.
Crowd. They can do it.
Те могат.
Quick drills. Echo after me, fast and fearless. Say, I can, in Bulgarian. Answer.
Аз мога.
Say, you can, singular. Answer.
Ти можеш.
Say, he can. Answer.
Той може.
Say, she can. Answer.
Тя може.
Say, it can. Answer.
То може.
Say, we can. Answer.
Ние можем.
Say, you can, plural. Answer.
Вие можете.
Say, they can. Answer.
Те могат.
Culture tip. Motivation time, with a Bulgarian twist. You'll often see or hear the pep phrase, I can, in Bulgaria as.
Аз мога.
Great for sticky notes, phone wallpapers, or mirror mantras. Say it with a grin and a thumbs up.
Аз мога.
Speed quiz. Answer quickly, trust your gut. What's can, in Bulgarian? Answer.
Мога.
Translate. You can, singular. Answer.
Ти можеш.
Translate. We can. Answer.
Ние можем.
Translate. You can, plural. Answer.
Вие можете.
Translate. They can. Answer.
Те могат.
30-second challenge. Ready for a tiny performance? You've got this. Record yourself saying all forms in one breath. I can.
Аз мога.
You can, singular.
Ти можеш.
He can.
Той може.
She can.
Тя може.
It can.
То може.
We can.
Ние можем.
You can, plural.
Вие можете.
They can.
Те могат.
Smile after, because you can. Goodbye. Nice work, your Bulgarian power level just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your can energy with
Мога.
and come back for more. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, tools, and freebies. See you next time, and remember, you can.
Ти можеш.